is what you'll need for my salmon in puff pastry, or salmon Wellington it's called. Some cream cheese, half an onion, some garlic, some salmon fillets, get the long thin ones if you can, some puff pastry, an egg, a touch of Dijon mustard, some parmesan or shop's own, some parsley, a glug of white wine and some spinach. First thing we're going to do, melt a knob of butter into a pan, then finely chop, or if you're lazy like me, let a machine do it, your onions. You're just going to cook them off for 2 or 3 minutes. When your onions have had a couple of minutes, time to go in with your chopped up or mashed up garlic and give that another minute. Then into there with your spinach. Then over the heat for a minute, just wilt your spinach down. It'll soon cook down. As your spinach is wilting down, just go in with a glug of your white wine. When your spinach is wilted down and your white wine's mostly evaporated, just turn off the heat and put that to one side. Into a mini blender with your parsley, stalks and all, and then in again with a couple of chopped or mashed up garlic, and give them a quick whiz round. Then into there with a glug of olive oil, some cracked black pepper and your parmesan cheese, and then give them another quick mix. Put it in with your cream cheese and then just give them a mix. If, like me, you bought salmon fillets with the skin on, then just take it off. And that's what we want to be left with. With everything prepared, time to get on with your puff pastry. So, on your countertop, some flour, then onto there with your shop bought. And do buy it in a shop because life's too short to make your own puff pastry. And then just gently roll it out so it's a bit thinner. With your pastry rolled out a bit, and because I'm doing 2 fillets, judge where about halfway is. Go down and then again across. Now it's time to start putting it all together. So a smidgen of your Dijon mustard, just want a subtle taste of that, and onto there with half of your spinach concoction from earlier, onto there with your salmon fillet, and then on top with your creamy cheese mixture. And then with a beaten egg, just around the edges. Same for the top that you're going to put on it. And then it's on with the said top. And press it down. Keep pressing so you get most of the air out of it. Then just cut round that. And then if you like to give it the impression of having fish scales, just get a teaspoon and do that all the way along. When you've got them parcelled up, give them a coating with your egg mixture, and they're going in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25-30 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. When they've gone nicely brown, time to take them out of the oven. Have a look inside. There you go, absolutely delicious. Get stuck in.